This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to construct a cumulative frequency table on the TI83. First thing we need to do is to create a list. Press the Start button and then press the Enter key. Enter your first row of data into list L1. For this question, it's asking us to construct a frequency table for the grades of school children. Well, our grades are 90, 80, 70 and 60. So that's what I'm going to enter into the first column. In the second column, I'm going to enter the number of students that achieved those grades. For the first row, we have 20. Press Enter. Next, we're going to create the third column automatically, so use the arrow keys to highlight L3. Press Second and Stat to access the list menu. Scroll to the right to highlight Ops. Then press 6 for Cumulative Sum. Press Second and 2. That gives you L2. Close the parentheses and press Enter. That automatically populates the last column with a cumulative data. You can see the first entry is 20, which is what we'd expect. The second is 41, which is 20 plus 21. The third is 93, which is the sum of those three. And the last value, 122, is the value of all those added together. That's how to construct a cumulative frequency table on the TI83. Visit us at statisticshowto.com for more videos and articles on everything elementary statistics.